Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money online with copy trading on the Bybit app. So in case you don't know or you are just coming across my video for the first time, there's a lot of opportunities on how you can make money online on the Bybit app. Whenever I found those opportunities, I always drop them on my YouTube channel. So if my videos are helpful, you can subscribe to my channel so you can get updated whenever I drop my videos. So smash on the like button if you find my videos helpful. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a unique way on how you can make money online through the Bybit app, which is through copy trading. Guys, for those of you who are new into trading, I'll be teaching you guys what copy trading is, how to choose a good master trader to copy, and I'll also be covering the 100 USDT coverage campaign that Bybit is currently doing, which is like a giveaway from them, and with that you won't lose your money to copy trading on the Bybit app. So guys, make sure you follow me through this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive in. So guys, this is the inner interface of the Bybit app, and this is what we're going to be using to perform today's video. Once you guys be coming over here to the more section over here in the Bybit app, then you come over to the trade section over here. Next thing, you'll be seeing the copy trading section again over here, and you're going to come over here and click on it. Guys, you'll be brought to this section, which is the copy trading main page over here, as you can see. Guys, the first question that should come to mind is, what is copy trading? So guys, copy trading is a form of trading where you copy other traders or other master traders, and then once they are making money or they are making their profits, you also benefit and make your own profits. But you should know that once they are making losses, you also lose your money. That's the main concept of copy trading. One of the good side about this is that you don't need to do any analysis on this. You don't have to stress yourself on making analysis. All you have to do is find a master trader or a very good trader at which you trust. You have to do your findings and find a very suitable guy to copy his trade. Copy his trade automatically, and then you make profits or you make loss. So guys, copy trading is actually one of the good ways to make money from crypto. If you are the type of person that doesn't actually have enough time to be doing wide research and analysis, probably because you have multiple jobs you have to do, you can make money with copy trading. Guys, try to watch this video through to the end, because I'll be talking about some new concepts and some important things you need to know about copy trading. Guys, once you've gotten to the copy trading page over here, all you have to do is to pick the right trader to follow or the best master trader to follow. So guys, as you can see over here, there are different categories of traders that you can select over here. There's the top balance traders, the turn on investment trader, there's our top picks, and there's top new talents and many more. I'll be explaining them one by one. So guys, for the top balance traders, they are traders that actually balance their profits and they also balance their risks at the same time. This is that this particular set of traders don't take too much risks, and they also don't really make too much profits from their trades because they focus on not losing their capital. So these particular traders like to balance their profits and their loss. So as you can see right over here, the number one person over here at this category, last 30 days, his return on investment is plus 719%, which is actually very good and okay. As you can see, his drawdown, or should I say his lost in the last 30 days, is actually 0.0%, which actually means this guy knows how to trade very well. If you check the second person on this list, he has a return of investment of 104.38%, which is actually lower than the first guy, but his own is still not bad and it is still quite actually okay. He actually still has a breakdown of 4.37%, which means he has actually made a loss of 4.37% during this past 30 days. Example of a top balance trader. Guys, for the second category, which is where you have the top ROI, so this particular category is going to be showing you the top traders with high return of investment in copy trading. As you can see, the first guy on this list over here actually have a return of investment in the last 7 days. Okay, they are showing their own over here for 7 days. So his return of investment in the last 7 days is 1,468.72%. Can you see how high this is? This is to show you a top trader on the return on investment page. They have high return on investment. As you can see, the other trader too, his return on investment on the last 7 days is 979.32%. These are actually high profit gains that can help a lot of people boost in the crypto trading markets. I want you guys to also see their drawdown for the last 30 days, which is actually just 4.33% and 3.44%. So you can see they still have a very low drawdown percentage, which is actually a very low loss during their course of trading. That's what it means. So they have a very low percentage during their course of trading. If you are the type of person that you are actually very focused on making good amount of profit, this is the category you should pick your trader from. Now guys, the next category of traders you come across is our top picks, which is actually the topics that Bybit is giving to you, probably because of they are trusted by Bybit and they have a stable frequency of new trades. The first guy on the list have a return on investment in the last 7 days. He has a return on investment of 41.17%, and he has a drawdown in the last 7 days of 7.29%. The second guy has a return on investment in the last 7 days of 87.9%, and then he has a drawdown of 1.07%. Which for both of them, they are actually doing quite okay. So guys, the next category on the list is top new talent traders. These particular traders are new traders that just become master traders, but the fact that I brought them here is because they have high profit and a low drop down percentage. So as you can see, this very first person over here has a return on investment of 208% in the last 7 days. That's actually very well, and he doesn't even have any drawdown, which is actually, he doesn't have any loss for the last 7 days. Now he doesn't have any loss. The second person actually has a return of investment rate similar to the first person, which is 206.46%. Him too, he also doesn't have a drawdown percentage in the last 7 days, which is very, very good. But as you can see, they have low amount of followers on their following record, so you can quickly follow the new traders so you can be getting good quality signals from them. Guys, the next category of traders in our list is the boosted traders, which are traders that if you follow, you get an extra 10% of your investment back. As you can see, the profit and losses they are making also, which is actually good. The first person has a return on investment in the last 7 days of 28.4%. The second person has a return on investment of 33.39% in the last 7 days. Their drawdown, the first person's drawdown is 0%, which is very, very good. And the second person has a drawdown rating of 0.09%. One thing you should have noticed is that they actually have a low percent rating on their return on investments, but if you should follow them and you make profits, you have a guaranteed 10% bonus on your profits that you are getting back. And then the next category is where you have the highest follower profit. So this particular set of traders make high profits for mainly their followers, not actually for them, but rather for their followers. They care for their followers. So what it means is that the people following this particular set of traders have made a lot of profits from following them. So you can see this first person on this list has 2 ROI, which goes for the same for others. The first person list has a first ROI of 9.59% and a second ROI of 35.49%, and he or she has a drawdown of 0.35% in the last 30 days. Okay, I can see their own days is counting for 30 days and 90 days and so on. And then the second person has a return on investment rating of 18.6% for the last 60 days, and he has an ROI of 36.86% in the last 90 days, and then a drawdown of 0%, which is very, very good. So guys, the next category is where you have the lowest drawdown. Here are traders that have made over 10% ROI and the maximum drop down of less than 20%. So what this means is that these traders have a maximum loss of 20%. That means they've not done any loss that is more than 20%. The first person on this list have done 62.55% in the last 30 days, and he has a drawdown of 9.43%. which is actually okay, but his drawdown is actually a bit high. But if you check this third person in the list, which has a profit of 242.39% in the last 30 days, and he has a drawdown of 3.03%. Look how his drawdown is actually very low in the last 30 days, which means that he has only a loss of 3.03% in the last 30 days. It's actually very, very okay. Guys, that will be all I'll be sharing about the different categories you can go for You are free to go with any category you want to that you feel is right for you or suitable for you. So guys, that's not all. In case you still want a better way to pick a trader to follow, come over to this section where you can see the all traders section. Right, then make sure that this box is ticked where you see the available master traders, and then you can come over here to filter out a trader that will suit you. So guys, if say you want a trader that has been good for the last 7 days, you can pick a trader of 7 days. The one for a period of 30 days, you can choose which variation of trader you want. So guys, as for me, I prefer to go with the 30 days duration because I feel like the data gotten from the 30 days duration is better to analyze than the ones gotten from the 7 days and the 90 days duration. Or except maybe you probably want to study a trader and analyze him for a long period of time, then you can go with the 90 days duration. But as for the 7 days duration, I don't feel like that's actually a good particular duration for you to use and study or analyze any trader or trade. 30 days is still okay. So for the master trader rank, if you want a trader that is a new trader into this, you can pick the cadets. If you want someone that just started but is actually doing very good, you can come with the bronze. And then there is the silver rank, and then the highest rank, which is the gold. That's like the masters of all the trades. So guys, as for now, I won't be selecting any particular master trader rank in starting. Over here is where you'll be seeing the categories of all the traders at which you can select from that I actually explained earlier. So out of all these traders, you are free to go with whichever one you feel it will suit you more. Guys, if for example I go with the one that's going with top ROI over here, and then if say I want another category of highest follower profits, and then I click this one over here too, and if I still want lowest drop down, I can still add that one to the list. So then you click on confirm, and the next thing you have to do is to choose a country of the master trader which you want. So guys, you'll be seeing a wide list of countries at which you can select a master trader from. So if probably you have done a wide research and you have seen a particular trade and you have noticed that master trader actually comes from a particular country, you are free to choose any country you feel suitable for you. But as for me, I don't really indulge in this, so I'll just leave it blank like that. So guys, the next thing you need to be selecting is a master trader badge. So over here you'll be seeing traders. You'll be able to select traders that have gotten a badge from probably a top profits, a trader that have gotten a badge for top profit, a trader that have gotten a badge for top return of investment, and so on and so forth. But out of all these, I would prefer to go with a trader that have actually gone for a win streak, which means that has a continuous winning badge. And so after selecting all the needful things that you want at this section, you just have to click on the confirm button over here. And then right here, you'll be seeing different traders that match the selected data which you have given to Bybit. So Bybit will follow the data you give to them, and then they'll bring out traders that match all those descriptions that you give them. So guys, as you can see, this top trader over here has a badge of win streak, which we selected earlier, and he actually has a top profit badge also. And in the last 30 days, he has a return on investment of 22.89%. So this is actually a very good trader to copy. And if you want to do that, all you have to do is click on copy over here, and then so guys, I want you guys to take note of something which is that the minimum amount that you can use to copy a trader now in Bybit is actually $500. So you should take note of that. You need this amount of capital in order to copy a trader. Sorry guys, I won't be able to cover the whole of today's class in this my particular video because I've already elapsed more than the time I'm supposed to spend on this my current video. So I'll be dropping another video soon on how to use copy trading to make maximum profits and some secret strategies that a lot of traders are using copy trading to make profits daily. Just smash on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, so once I drop this video you get updated. Thanks for watching back guys. I'll see you on my next video.